AI isn't just the future. It's the biggest money machine of today. And if you're not using it right now, you're literally leaving cash on the table. Number 1. AI content creation. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and ElevenLabs can help you write blog posts, YouTube scripts, or even generate videos in minutes. You can sell this content on Fiverr or start your own channel, like this one. Number 2. AI art and graphic design. Use tools like Canva AI, Leonardo AI, or Midjourney to make logos, posters, thumbnails, and sell them online on sites like Etsy or Upwork. Simple, creative, and profitable. Number 3. AI voiceovers and video generation. With ElevenLabs or Pictory, you can create faceless YouTube channels, just like news, facts, or horror channels, and start monetizing through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Number 4. AI for freelancing. Automate your work with tools like ChatGPT for writing, Notion AI for planning, and Excel Copilot for data. Deliver faster and earn more on freelancing platforms. Number 5. Create and sell. AI tools or prompts. People buy ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts, templates, and even small automation bots. You can sell them on PromptBase or your own Gumroad store. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to TechBucks AI, and comment AI Money if you want me to show step-by-step tutorials for each method. This is TechBucks AI, turning your tech skills into income streams. See you in the next video.